Ideally, what we're striving for is to get academic All-American as a team.
As much as I love swimming, I'm not here just to swim. I'm here to be a student first. I'm a student athlete.
While also being successful in the pool. We're already planning ahead on how we can place better this year.
We all had some sort of reason for coming here, and we were all recruited for a purpose.
Here at Augustana Swimming and Diving, we have a commitment to excellence, and that excellence starts first in the classroom. And our #1 team goal is to become academic All-American as a team. We've achieved that every single year that I've been here at Augustana. Our second goal is to be leaders in the classroom and in life, and also in the pool. This past year was an incredible year for our program. We broke 21 school records. We put someone in nationals for the first time in 31 years. We won a relay title for the first time in 21 years.
It was the first time in conference history that a relay had been won by all freshmen. And it's exciting. It's so exciting that during the race, I was jumping 5 feet off the ground as we touched the wall. We won by over 2 seconds. We're building momentum in the swim program at Augie. The whole team can feel it, as well as the conference now.
It's really exciting to be a part of a growing team and how the new pool is going to affect that.
A new aquatic facility that will open in 2021. It's about a group of swimmers coming together with a common goal.
We all support one another. We're all kind of there for each other. It's almost like one big family. And I think just for any program in general, that's kind of something that's important to success.
If somebody were to ask me now if Augie was the right choice for me, I would still wholeheartedly say yes.
With a new aquatic center on the way and a team that is performing at a high level in the pool and the classroom, the future is now.